My motivation for creating this art piece is from a local unrest situation that happened to my uncle who died from 6 bullet wounds. Since then, I realized that I wanted to devote all my work to this video art that resonates with my underrepresented voice and community. This sound art is the story of beginning of my blood memories of the happy anniversary. My divorcing all happened from this small place called Puyud, famously for martabak. The black dress is inspired by an abaya, a day-to-day clothes usually worn by local Muslims. The headpiece or hijab is decorated with several layers of cotton cloth. You'll often see this headpiece at the wedding. The 600 meters long hijab symbolizes a heavy suitcase that gets carried everywhere I go. The content of the suitcase includes both happiness and the opposite, as well as an event in 2010 when my uncle was shot in front of his own house. And as heavy as the suitcase can get, it also symbolizes how people should let go and accept the human truth from an Islamic teaching of God produced you from the soil, He will then return you to it. The main sound of Azan will be used as the hijab moves through memorable places in Puyud. The ambient sound is created from many local microcultures, such as the sound of making martabak and others that I walk by, or accumulated from my experiences. I was hoping that this particular sound would be the sound of hope. My name's Aina, and this is Vortex of Silence.